we are, 8570. Wonder if anybody's here. Boom, and here we go. The one bedroom preferred villa. You walk in immediately to your left. Hello there. You've got the bathroom, but even before that, you got a nice closet. Comes with a vacuum, broom, iron. You feel like you're at home doing chores. Who doesn't love that on vacation? Over here, one of Jessica's favorites, and that is not sarcasm, we have the washer and dryer. She loves it. She absolutely loves it. So you walk in, you've got the full bath right here. You've got the sink. Hello there. You've got the toilet. You got the shower. Very nice. Very nice. You like the rainfall with the wand? Very nice. Whoop, it opens out, not in, not either way. It's got a little bench in there. Then over here, you got a little half bath. You got a nice big jetted tub. That's very cool. The jets are on the bottom, that jacuzzi effect. So you've got this here. This is actually attached to the master, and you got, hello there. You got your sink over here. So this is the master. This is kind of the shared bathroom area, but it's all connected. Then, very cool, very cool. I like how the doors come together. All you have to do is pull one. It's kind of like a barn door, kind of not a barn door. I love it. You got a king bed here in your private bedroom. This is the one bed portion of the one bedroom. Out here, a lovely view. You got Caribbean beach. You got the Skyliner. You've got the family pool. You got the splash pad. This is absolutely where Jessica's going to be while Merritt is taking a nap. I'm sorry, I was looking for the unlock button. Trying to open this door. Oh, there's two to keep it nice and safe and secure. So when Merritt's taking a nap, Jessica's gonna be out here and she's gonna be waving to us. She's gonna say, hey family, I'm enjoying some time, just reading my book. Over there, I believe that's Coronado. I think that's Coronado right there. Shout out to my sister Caroline, who was just here, just stayed there. Let's continue this tour. Lock those back. Lock number one. Lock number two. Let's keep going. Love it. TV. We come out here. Now we're back in the main area. You've got right here, sorry, trying to get my bearings straight. Right here, underneath the TV, welcome Clark family, you have the little pull-down single bed. And then over here, you got a couple of chairs, you got a little bench, you got a little coffee table, you've got the couch, some cool artwork. I love this Mickey and Minnie. I want that on either side of my bed at home. But then you grab this, and here is your full-size double bed. Look at that. So we did get the bed down. That's perfect. And then over here, you have the dining area. Got a little bench for the kids to sit at. Got a couple of chairs for the parents. You got a nice full kitchen. You got dishwasher. You got a nice sink. You got a nice prep area, full stove, oven, microwave. Look at this huge fridge. We could just move in here. That would be awesome. And then we're not going to have a tour of this, but connected to the one bedrooms, a lot of times you've got a studio that's connected. So that could be an option if you're coming with a big party. Instead of getting a two bed, those are always more difficult to get. Or instead of having two one beds that are not connected to each other, you could opt for the studio as an option to connect everything. Got a little excited and almost forgot, but over here we have a door that heads out onto the same balcony, giving you the same view. But you got the private entrance out of the master bedroom, and then you've got the entrance out of the living room. Sadly, there will be no fireworks view from our bedroom, from our balcony. We are bummed about that, but still very, very nice. Loving all the views, loving the room. This is gonna be a great place to hang out. Just really excited. I really like the shade because right now it's 4 o'clock and this balcony is pretty shaded. So that's going to be very nice. It's gonna be a nice place to come hang out later, especially you got the baby who's gonna be sleeping in the master bedroom. And then we have the other 3 kids that are gonna be sleeping out in the living room. So this will give Jessica and I a chance we can kind of hang out without having to be absolutely quiet so we don't wake anybody up. Just come out here, sit, look out, just gaze at Disney all around us. It's awesome. But hey, that's the tour. Very cool, very nice room. It's going to be absolutely destroyed by the family over the next few days. Look at this, look at this. I just love it. Look at that. Look at that towel work. It just makes you smile, it just makes you happy. And one more thing I wanted to show you though. This is the closet in the bedroom. Could it fit a stroller like it can at Old Key West? No, but still very big, plenty of room, plenty of room. We've got family pictures we're taking tomorrow. So we've actually got some nice clothes that we're gonna be hanging up here. So it's very exciting. But I would highly recommend this room, this resort to everyone. This is our first time staying here, but we've come to the Riviera a number of times just to go to Topolino. So we already feel like we know the resort pretty well. Very excited to bring you this room tour and check out our other videos and join us on our adventures. That's our room. Very cool. Very cool being able to see it from down here. Flash that. Ooh, we're zoomed in a lot. Down here.